Leela and I just got to the leasing office. We're signing our lease. I'm on my way to the apartment right now because we're moving in. A lot of this stuff is Leela's stuff because I don't have that much stuff with me. I don't have that much stuff in general, but yeah, so she has her car and then we have my car and we're meeting up there. Just gonna start unpacking, I guess. I don't really know, I've never done this. We just got to the apartment. I'm struggling right now because I'm carrying so many things. So we're at the vegan drive-thru place right now. Oh. We're in the middle of moving. We still have to go back to her place to get her mattress and like some stuff. Do you want to talk?
This is a wonderful experience. I'm so very grateful for it.
Oh, by the way, this is Lake.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Yeah. It's gone by pretty quick, but it was actually really quick to unpack our stuff.
Yeah.
We don't have that much stuff.
No, I'm a minimalist. I try.
Actually, they're
my
getting
best.
on the bandwagon.
Yeah.
Converting.
Let's
to
go,
on the
minimalism.
minimalistic lifestyle. Okay, cool. We'll keep you updated. Bye. Why did I just do that? I meant this. We literally have Leela's mattress shoved in my car. Leela and Haley are on the mattress. Lake and I are in the front. We have something on my roof right now that goes with her mattress that we tied down with some like crusty rope that's probably gonna break. And yeah, that's how our night's going. Okay, so we got into our apartment last night. I literally haven't even showed the apartment at all. I'm not gonna show the apartment until we get like all our furniture, we get our room situated. Don't look at me. Till we get everything organized, because right now it's just an empty room and I want it to be like a grand finale. So I think the plan today, at least for myself, I just want to finish up my room. I need to get a mattress and I don't even know what I need to get, but that's what I need. This lighting is so good in here.
It's beautiful. It looks like you're in Spain right there or something.
This is what it hangs on, right? We're struggling.
Alright, you want some help? Alright.
Oh, I just ripped my hair. Yes! I finished! Just want to finish up this video really quick. I included some clips of me, or like of us actually moving in. I'm gonna show you my room, just like an overview really quick, and then I'll show you the rest of the apartment. It's not full of furniture. There's no furniture throughout the apartment because we just moved in like a week ago. Originally, I was gonna finish this video once we fully got everything moved into the apartment, but I decided that I would just finish it now. So here's my door when you walk in. This is actually my closet. I got a lot of space in here. Here's my bathroom right next to my closet, and next to my bathroom is that mirror. You guys probably saw me hanging it. I have my tripod set up right there. That little thing that I was building, that's where I'm storing more clothes, and then just some books, you know, my bed, and my painting stuff. So my room's not totally finished yet because I am planning on going back to Florida within the next week or two, just because I need to get the rest of my clothes. I could have brought it all with me. I'm not really sure why I didn't, but it's not a big deal. It's literally stuff that'll fit in a backpack. And then I want to set up like a spot designated for my makeup, like an area that I'll specifically film. I don't really know too much how I'm gonna do that. Once I have my entire room finished, decorations even, because I wanna hang some paintings, I wanna hang a tapestry. So once it's totally done, I'm gonna do an in-depth room tour video, and I'm gonna tell you guys where I bought things, like decorations, where I got my bed, where I got my furniture. I'll just show you guys the rest of the apartment and then we can end this. So right when you walk out of my room, that's Leela's room, and then this is like a water tank, I think. And then Leela has her own bathroom in there. This is like the whole living room area. It's just empty because no furniture. So we have this fireplace, and we're actually planning on hanging the TV above the fireplace. We're probably gonna put a little table or something in here, you know, to eat, and then a couch right here. And then we have like this huge area. And then we have our kitchen. And that's our apartment. I think that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Basically, it was just moving in. hope you guys liked it. Moving is not as easy as I expected. It takes a lot longer than I thought, and it's a little bit stressful, but it's pretty fun too. The whole process is pretty fun because you're entering a new environment, you know what I mean? Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs it up if you did, and I hope that it helped a little bit, kind of showed you the process of moving in, or at least my process. I don't really know. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.